We are at Indiana Dunes National Park. It's one of the newest in the U.S. national parks system with 15 miles of shoreline, a beach, 15,000 acres, a river walk, and 50 miles of trails to explore. And we're starting our journey at the Visitor Center.
Well, I just want to ask, do you stamp the passport books here or in the bookstore?
No, these are actually little circle stamps.
Oh, okay.
Just go right on that way.
Awesome, thank you.
You're very welcome.
Midwest? Yes. Midwest. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
I just had to find a place to put it.
Yeah.
I think that's awesome. You want to go with your passport book?
Sure. I'll do it in a minute.
Okay.
The Indiana Dunes National Park Visitor Center is also a local tourism information hub. It closes at 4 and we just barely squeaked in.
Let's go. Let's go explore.
Electric vehicle charging. That's nice to see. I've never even heard of a rain garden before. That would be it.
All right, we're at the visitor center.
All right.
There's enough here to see for several days. Why don't we? Let's first go to Lakeview Beach. Go down Highway 12 and take East State Park Road and go over that way. I'd say let's come back maybe tomorrow and do the state park or do some of the other things too. Maybe it won't be raining.
Tomorrow might be a better
might
idea.
be a good choice,
We'll try it.
I want to see the lake.
Yeah,
We're here. Let's go see the lake.
it's worth it. Let's go.
All right, then. Well, I remember how to fold a map. There we go.
And we're in the Century of Progress Historic District.
Oh, that's pretty sweet. Look at those homes. Those are so neat.
Oh, the House of Tomorrow. America's first glass house.
Looks like speed.
Private residence with no public access.
Resort. Oh, look at look at the. That's awesome.
Wet!
A little soggy.
Liz! A showcase for ciphers, the wood eternal is what the sign says. Oh, their driveway washing down.
Native habitat restoration. Do you want to go down to the beach?
So, it's raining.
So?
But I mean, it's like raining a lot.
How many times have we picnicked in the rain in a national park?
I don't know.
It's been
Every time we
several.
go, the first visit's always raining.
That's true. Without that.
Except at the Green Canyon where they had the tornado warning and the hail that turned the ground right.
This looks neat. Let's get out here.
You're going to get wet.
I don't care.
And I'm going to laugh.
I'm on vacation. I'm having fun, regardless if it's raining or not.
That is true. Now, I've not seen anything like that before. They've got an emergency locator code.
Yeah.
So if there's an emergency, you can give them the code.
That's really cool.
I like that.
That would be good for any national park or remote area.
Don't go in the water when the bacteria counts are high. Watch out for strong winds and don't go into the lake alone. Here we are with Lake Michigan right behind us. Our first view. Oh my gosh.
It's so cool.
Yeah, it is cool. Here's the view. Isn't that amazing? All right, this is cool. I gotta say, because oh my gosh, it looks like an ocean. It's so expansive. There's a trail that we can't get down to because it's closed. I'm gonna go stand under the pavilion because I can pretend it's not raining there. All right, here, John, it answers your question. Is this an ocean or a lake? Here you can surf waves, stroll the shoreline, and see the dunes, but you're not at the ocean. It's part of the world's largest freshwater system, the Great Lakes, extending northward for 307 miles and averaging 118 miles from east to west. And because it's me, I almost trip over the bench. That would be leaving my mark on the national park, wouldn't it?
I love you.
I know. I'm glad you do. I love you too.
Good.
Those are the benches. I almost fell over. At least I didn't drop the camera this time. There you go. You can get down to the beach from there, it looks like. Well, yeah, except for the fact they've got it closed.
And the mobility impairment. So, yeah, 2 issues there.
Now this is a neat idea, except for one thing. There's the trash. And what does the sign say? No trash, please. There's a recycling bin over there. There are options. That was plastic. There's the trash bin right over here. And another trash bin right there. If they have to take out the hot coals bin, that kind of stuff is going to be why. So I got to go get that and throw it away, and it's not even mine.
For those of us who need to know about handicapped access, here's a view of the upper part. You have to make up your own mind based on your own challenges. I didn't have any problems on this upper part, but definitely would not have attempted going downstairs to the water. Those areas are closed right now due to beach erosion. The park is scheduled for renovations later this spring, so hopefully this is going to be something that they're going to look at. Speaking of looking at things, we're going to get back on the road and go see some more of Lake Michigan and the National and State Park.
We're driving right along Lake Michigan.
This is gorgeous. We're going to come back tomorrow night to another portion of the park and hopefully get some sunset footage for you. Tons of stuff to do.
Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up on the video and subscribe, please, if you haven't already done so. Don't forget, it's always about hashtag be bodacious, so don't let life or a little rain get in the way of living. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check these out for more great videos.